This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the driver's side of the fascia and pull the release handle rearwards. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the slot in the underside of the bonnet. Lift the flap in the engine cover and unscrew the oil filler cap. Position a suitable container under the engine sump drain plug. Clean the area around the drain plug, then slacken and remove it. Allow the oil to drain. Clean the drain plug and renew the sealing washer. Refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Undo the 2 bolts and remove the centrifuge filter cover. Discard the old sealing ring from the cover. Lift the centrifuge rotor from the housing and discard it. Wipe clean the rotor housing and the cover. Locate the new rotor in the housing. Fit a new sealing ring to the cover, then lubricate it with clean engine oil. Refit and securely tighten the cover bolts. The filter cartridge is located on the left-hand side of the engine, in front of the exhaust pipe. Slacken the filter using a strap wrench or filter removal tool. The filter can be extremely tight. Fully unscrew the filter and withdraw it. Be prepared for oil spillage. Use a clean rag to remove all oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area on the engine. Check the old filter to make sure that the rubber sealing ring hasn't stuck to the engine. If it has, carefully remove it. Lubricate the new filter sealing ring with clean engine oil, then maneuver it into position and tighten it firmly by hand only. Do not use any tools. Wipe any spilled oil from the filter. Withdraw the oil level dipstick. Then, using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade and quantity of engine oil until the level is up to the full mark on the dipstick. With the level correct, refit the dipstick, tighten the oil filler cap, and refit the flap in the engine cover. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.